nom, me the Cookie Monster. Nom, nom, me the Cookie Monster. Nom, nom, me the Cookie Monster. Me the Cookie Monster. Me the Cookie Monster. I love my cookies with a sprinkle M&Ms. Dash a little chocolate in the cracks to fill it in. I don't give a care if it's the wrong time of day. I snatch a cookie from the cookie jar and eat them anyways. And most of the cookies from the cookie jar. Nah, bitch, I did not just one cookie, the whole jar. Lick my lips and leave the crumbs on my face, and then I drop kick. I'm off even wine taste. Mastermind, no cookies hard to find. Loving caramel, sugar, or Girl Scouts, the best kind. You can argue if you want, but you never win. I'm the cookie connoisseur, the Steve Irwin. The cookies, everyone else is a rookie. Talking like they love them so much, but I love them for the nookies. If I could, I'd nom nom all day, non-stop. Can't stop till I drop. Past I cold from too much sweetness. Take a nap, hour later, and I'm back to business. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Grab his ankle, flipped him over my back, cracked his neck, and then I ate his head till he's dead. Nom nom, me the Cookie Monster, and I nom nom, can't control the hunger. Nom nom, cause our neighbors like it, and I nom nom, cause I so excited. Me so violent, love me chocolate, never out of cookies cause I fill my pockets. I'm the Cookie Monster. I'm the Cookie Monster. I'm the Cookie Monster. I'm the Cookie Monster.